everyone. Are you stuck in your networking profile as a network engineer? Or you are just a fresher and want to become a network engineer? Or you are working in any other industry and want to switch your career in networking domain? You want to enter in the IT industry as a network engineer? Guys, if answer of any question is yes, then this video is only for you. Today in this video, I am going to introduce two courses for every network engineers. If you are already a network engineer, then this video can help you to become world most demanding network engineer in 2025. Now, without wasting our time, let's begin. Guys, I am talking about CCNA and CCNP course. CCNA stands for Cisco Certified Network Associate, which is an associate level, entry level certification, right, offered by Cisco. Cisco is top MNC company, US based company, which offer devices, hardware, software, and exams. Cisco is not only selling hardware, right? Cisco is selling software also. Many Cisco proprietary protocols are there, right? At the same time, Cisco is also selling exam. So CCNA is one of them, right? And CCNA certification is valid globally. So if you have CCNA certificate, you can apply for job in the IT industry anywhere in the world. Okay, and if I will talk about the CCNP, so guys, CCNP is also nothing but the advanced version of CCNA. In CCNA, you are going to learn the fundamentals, right? This is foundation, you can say. If your foundation is strong, you can easily grow your professional life because you can learn other courses by yourself, right? If you know the basic, you can learn the advanced things by yourself. You don't need even training. But if you are a fresher, if you have not learned CCNA properly in your entire life, then this is the best time, right, to revise, to relearn the CCNA, to master the CCNA course again, right? So in CCNA, you are going to learn the fundamentals, and in CCNP, you are going to master enterprise network. If I will talk about the enterprise network, so guys, generally in enterprise network, we are using some networking devices, routers, switches, firewall, sometimes load balancer, access point, WLCs. So you need to learn how to connect these devices, how to configure these devices, and how to manage these devices, right? So whatever protocols we are going to enable on these devices, everything you have to master as a network engineer. Okay, so let me show you what are the information here. So first thing which I would like to discuss over here is skills booster. A skill booster for network engineer, for every network engineer. What are the skills required, guys, right? So ultimate networking skill booster. CCNA and CCNP is nothing but the skill networking skill booster only, right? Where you are going to master everything from the scratch, right? If you are enrolling for CCNA in any institute, that means you don't know anything about networks, right? Even you don't know how to connect to computer in proper way, which type of cable is required here between PC1 and PC2, what is MAC address, what is IP address, right? Because the basic requirement of communication between these two PCs are source MAC, destination MAC, source IP, destination IP, and there should be connectivity, right? So you don't know what is connectivity, what is source MAC, what is IP address, right? Connectivity can be wired, connectivity can be wireless. So what we are expecting if someone is enrolling in CCNA, they just belongs to any other domain. So we are going to teach you everything from the scratch, right? So a skill booster for network engineer can be CCNA plus CCNP. Master networking from fundamentals to advanced concept you need to master, right? From the zero to advanced level. Advanced level means you are able to design the network, you are able to configure router, switch, firewall, right? Access point. So if you know the configuration of these devices, you can say you have knowledge of advanced knowledge of networking. Okay, and basic means you don't know anything about the network, how to connect to computers, because connecting to computer can be the world smallest network. And guys, if I will talk about the largest network, so largest network is going to be very complicated, because if I will give you the example of one company, let's say this is one XYZ company. So in this company there will be lots of end devices, right? So first you are going to connect all N devices, right? Generally we are using access layer switches here. Then we are going to connect all the access layer switches to distribution layer switch, right? Then you will have some core devices here, router or core switches. Then somewhere you will have server room also, so you are going to connect your server room to core layer, right? Maybe somewhere you will have WAN connectivity, right? So you are going to connect your WAN connectivity or cloud connectivity also to your core layer device, right? Maybe you will have somewhere internet connectivity from the ISP, so you are going to connect core layer to internet also. So this type of design can be the smallest network in the enterprise, right? This is a smallest network of an enterprise company. So from here, from 0 to this level, by learning CCNA only, by learning CCNA only, which is associate level certification. But guys, apart from this, like in CCNA, you are going to learn the design, how we are connecting these devices, maybe how to configure router, how to configure the switch. You don't know about the monitoring. You don't know what is the reason of keep checking the health of all devices. Why we are monitoring this network. How to troubleshoot if there is some issues. So then CCNP comes in picture, right? In the CCNP, you are going to first master this infrastructure only, and after that, like this is one side of a company. In the same way, for an example, Google. So guys, for the Google, even this design will not work. There are not lots of redundancy. There is no any option of load balancing, right? So Google needs a reliable sites, very reliable site, right? Because lots of servers will be there in the Google network. And you know, Google have lakhs of branches around the globe. So like this, Google have lakhs of branches, thousands of sites are there. So how to connect all thousand number of sites together, and how to make reachability between all the sites, right? Those all things you are going to master in CCNP. That's why I'm saying CCNA plus CCNP for every network engineer, because if you have a strong knowledge of CCNA plus CCNP, guys, you can easily design, manage, troubleshoot, right, monitor the enterprise networks, right? From a small network to the world largest network you can manage by yourself. And even after learning CCNA and CCNP, you will be able to learn anything by yourself, right? If we are going to implement any new protocols in the network, right? So you can read about those protocols by yourself. Even you don't need training, because you have fundamental knowledge now, right? If I will give you my example, so I took training for CCNA only, right? And I learned CCNA in proper way by taking the training, and after that I learned CCNP by myself, I learned CCI by myself, I learned security by myself, firewall, Palo Alto, checkpoint, ASA. I know these all firewalls, and I learned these all firewall by myself only. Even after that, I did AWS global certification, right? So I learned AWS also by myself only. So how I am able to learn these technologies by myself, guys? Even I learned SD-WAN by myself, because of the fundamental, right? My fundamental knowledge is clear, my foundation is very strong, right? So that's why I'm saying every network engineer should master these two courses, CCNA plus CCNP. Okay. Apart from this is all about improving your skills, right? How it can be beneficial for you. See, if you are looking for job change, it can help you to crack interview. If you are a fresher, it can help you to crack interview. These skills in your resume can help you to get more call for job in the IT industry, right? Apart from it, if you want to earn certificate, global certificate, then you can pass the exam very easily. If you have knowledge of CCN and CCNP, you can go for global certification as well, right? So first thing is mastering the networking skills. It can help you to crack the interview, right? Then it can help you to pass the exam to get the certificate, boost your career prospect, and earn a competitive advantage, right? So these are the benefits of learning CCNA and CCNP, and this is the reason why every network engineer should master these two courses. Now, Why? Why choose our combo course? First of all, let me tell you about my combo course. Guys, if I will talk about myself, so my name is Praful Mishra. I am a network engineer by profession and I am a Cisco certified trainer by my passion. I love to teach people, right? Whatever scenarios I am troubleshooting in the real time network, in the industry, in the production network, I am sharing to my subscriber through YouTube. At the same time, I am taking live classes for 2 hours every day, apart from my job, right? So we are providing training for various courses, and soon my combo batch of CCNA plus CCNP is starting. I will talk about this batch later. So now I am talking about our combo batch. In our combo batch, how our combo batch can be beneficial for you. So see, first thing is golden opportunity for you. Why I'm saying it is an opportunity? Because many other institutes are there who are providing training for same, right? How it can be the golden opportunity for me, Praful? So guys, why I'm saying it is a golden opportunity for you is, the reason is, you are going to learn from the engineer. You are not going to learn from the trainer, right? So, if any engineer who is working in the industry, who have spent more than 10 years on the same technology, if they are going to teach you, then guys, the teaching method is going to be different, right? They are going to connect everything, each and every topic from the real time network, right? So if the engineer is going to start any batch, right, for CCNA and CCNP, who have already spent more than 10 years in the industry, then that is definitely a golden opportunity for you, right? You should learn from them only, because a 30 years experienced trainer can teach you the concept, can teach you the networking, but they don't know how we have implemented that in the real time industry, right, which you can learn here in our course. And if any other working professional is teaching you, that is also fine, but that is opportunity for you, right? You should definitely choose a network engineer as a trainer. See, if I want to achieve something in my life, let's say I want to learn any new technology, for example virtualization, so how I will learn, how I will find the trainer for myself? First I will check who is the expert in the industry, and then I am going to ask to him that, hey, are you going to help me? Because I want to achieve what you have achieved in your life. And this is the benefit of social media. See, through social media we all are connected together, we can learn from each other, we can share our thoughts. So I am going to ask to him, hey, I want to reach there where you have already reached, can you help me? I can pay you for that, for your time. But please help me to reach there. Please teach me the technology which you are using in the industry. If he is ready to teach, definitely I will go for training from him only. Right? So that's why I am saying it is a golden opportunity for you, because you are going to learn from the industry expert, right, who is already the network engineer. And if you are going to learn from the engineer, then definitely they will focus on hands-on. They will focus on hands-on, how you can practice on the network, right? So in our combo batch we are performing lots of labs, right? I am designing lab in the EVNG, sometime in the GNS3, sometime in the packet tracer, the same lab, which the same network which I am using in the industry, right? And after that I am teaching first to the people, and then I am asking them to configure the network from the scratch, right? So if you are going to enroll for our combo course, you will get again hands-on training and practical experience, right? Many more than 100 scenarios are there in the courses which we are going to cover, and all those scenarios are real time scenarios, right? Sometimes it can be the real time interview questions, scenario based interview questions for network engineer, sometimes troubleshooting scenarios, sometimes designing scenarios, sometimes implementing protocol scenario like implementing OSPF. In which type of scenario we are going to enable OSPF, where we are going to run BGP. We have lots of routing protocols, so where to use which protocols, everything are included over here in the combo course. Okay, the second thing is career growth. If you are already in the industry and if you think that my professional life is stuck, my professional life is not growing because of my technical skill. I need to improve my technical skill. Then again, brother, this is a golden opportunity for you. Enroll yourself and master the concepts of networking, and then work on the real network and see how your professional life will start growing. 110% your professional life will start growing once you will start implementing your CCNA plus CCNP knowledge in the network. And then industry demand, I already told you there is huge demand in the industry for network engineer. You can check the job portals, you can visit to platforms like Naukri.com, LinkedIn. You will see many jobs are there, many companies are looking for network engineers, but people are getting called but they are not able to crack the interview, right? Because if you are already working, you can correlate this. Most of the network engineers are just using show commands. They know this command I need to use and I need to verify this output. That's it. They don't know what is the meaning of that command, why I am using it, right? What is the technology behind it? So first you should learn it and then you should work. If you are working blindly in the industry as a network engineer, stop working like that. Let me move to the next slide. Here I am talking about my live training. In my CCNA plus CCNP combo course, what are the features of this live training course? So first thing is, guys, live training. This is not 90 hours, this is 180 hours. First of all, we are going to meet live for more than 180 hours. We are going to meet live for 2 hours every day and 5 days in a week, right? It is weekdays class, means we Monday to Friday. Monday to Friday we will meet live for 2 hours every day for next 3 to 4 months. If I will talk about the entire duration, guys, in 90 hour, again I am going to divide this 90 hour into two part, means first 45 hours. In first 45 hours, basically we will focus on theory, right? Learning the fundamental. Definitely we will be doing lab at the same time. Like, let's say we have covered the OSI model today. So you have to perform the lab of OSI model. You have to capture the link between devices. You have to check all the layers, of TCP/IP protocol. So lab plus theory. Mainly I will focus on theory part, right? To teach you the fundamental concept. Next 45 hour, mainly we will focus on hands-on, and in next 90 hours we will be mastering the concept, right? We will be configuring the entire enterprises network, we will be implementing protocols, we will be troubleshooting the issues, right? So everything is there in the live training. Apart from the live class, let's say you are already working professional and you have not joined the today class, right? So guys, within 10 minutes of class, on class will finish, after 10 minutes you will be receiving recording of the session, right? And you need to watch the recording before next class so that you can be on the track, right? And it's our responsibility to keep you on the track also. For that we will be giving you labs during the training, and that you need to perform by yourself. So first benefit of our combo course is live training, right? We are going to cover everything, all the topics of CCNA plus CCNP through live training. At the same time you will have recording also, right? Apart from the live training, guys, we will have mock session for each section. In CCNA there are various sections, in CCNP also there are various sections. So also let's say one section is routing, for an example. So once I will finish the routing module, we will have one mock session for routing, where we'll all will turn on our cameras so that we can see each other. And after that I am going to ask you question and you are going to answer, and you are going to share your answer. This way you can improve your interview session, right? So that after the course you can go for job and you will be able to crack interview, right? So practice your interviewing skill and building confidence. Second thing about the trainer, I already told you about myself. Certification benefit. If you are not getting job, call for job, then you can mention CCNA certificate in your resume, and after that you can try what is the benefit. You will start getting lots of call, right? So this way your certificate can help you anywhere. Definitely certificate is not going to help you to crack the interview, but it is going to help you to get more calls. If you are working in the industry, then it is going to help you to grow your professional life, because certificates recognize our knowledge only. Okay, so in CCNA, guys, I already told you, you are going to learn the foundation, right? Foundation is skill in networking, like fundamentals, routing, and switching. And there are some more topics of virtualization, wireless. Those topics are also there in CCNA. In CCNP, you are going to learn advanced routing, advanced switching, enterprise solution, and troubleshooting, right? So everything you are going to master all about enterprise network. Okay, now let me tell you about the course. About the course. Here is the syllabus. Like, this is again not the syllabus, but the summary of syllabus. If I will talk about the key concept of networking, key concept, key topics of networking that every network engineer should master is fundamentals. Under fundamental OSI model, the most important topic of network engineer. Every network engineer should have knowledge about OSI model. TCP/IP model, which is practical model, IP addressing, subnetting, VLSM, and cabling, how we are connecting the devices, right? With implementation as well, you should have knowledge about implementation also, how we are implementing it. Then network access, where you are going to master switching concept, VLAN, trunking, spanning tree protocol, wireless LAN. Then IP connectivity. In IP connectivity, again, you are going to master routing, inter-VLAN routing, and first hop redundancy. These are what I told you, summary of your syllabus. This is not the syllabus. After that, IP services. In the IP services, you are going to learn NAT, PAT, DSCP, QS, quality of service, security fundamentals, access control list, device security, VPN, firewall, right? Then automation and programmability is there. In automation and programmability, you are going to learn REST API, configuration management tool, how we can automate the configuration of networking devices like router, switch. If you know how to configure OSPF on router through CLI, right, and you want to learn how to automate this configuration, that will be also covered in CCNA plus CCNP course. Okay, apart from this, layer 2 and layer 3 enterprise technology or networking, you can say. Okay, now here is about myself, about the trainer. Like trainer, I have already told you, I have more than 10 years of experience in the networking industry and IT. Nowadays I am working as a network architect, right, in one of the top MNC company in India. And now finally there is some offer for you, right? Exclusive offer. So if you are enrolling till tomorrow, then you will get discount of 20%. Okay, so guys, actual cost of CCNA plus CCNP is 25,000. We are providing some additional discount, 20% discount on the Republic Day, right? So now you can enroll at just 20,000. You can enroll for combo at just 20,000. And here is the batch starting date. When is the batch starting? 1st of February. New and fresh batch of CCNA plus CCNP is starting from 1st of February. Timing is 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. IST, Indian Standard Time. To enroll, you can visit pmnetworking.in. pmnetworking.in. And guys, I am not sure about the offer. Offer was applicable for, I think, 10 students. So that's why coupon code name is first 10. Right? So you can check on the website only. The offer is valid or not. Or you can reach to us on WhatsApp. So our website is pmnetworking.in. pmnetworking.in. And my WhatsApp number is +918511826341. Right? You can reach to me on WhatsApp as well directly. If you are interested, if all the things are applicable for you, if you think yes, this course can be the life changing for me, then enroll yourself and I will meet you in the live class. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.